Hey there, it's Connor the Cartoon. How's everyone doing? Obviously, you guys have some interest in either what I do, which is ventriloquism, or wanting to just learn in general. So that's why I'm making this video on kind of what the resources I use to get into ventriloquism and learn the craft and the art of doing ventriloquism. So the first thing I would like to cover is one, where to get a figure. Um, Obviously, figures can be pretty expensive. Like the professional ones can be pretty expensive, but your first figure doesn't have to be. You can honestly get a paper bag and make a figure like that, or a sock. You can make a sock puppet, get some googly eyes, kind of like that. Nice and cheap and a good way to kind of practice. But if you're, looking to spend some money, or you kind of want a more professional figure, first place I do recommend is axtail.com. I'll do a little video of the website, but axtail.com actually makes really good latex characters. So I actually use a Axtail figure myself. I'll do an extra little clip showing him off. And so there's a lot of like pretty much any animal, any kind of person, people puppets, animal puppets, anything you can think of is on Axel.com. And there's some more expensive, there's also more affordable ones as well. So that's a really good place to get started. Another website I recommend is my buddy Landon Harvey. He makes professional figures. So his is called theoriginaldummy.com. And you can follow him on TikTok, Instagram, and you can find all his stuff there. He makes really good figures as well. He made figures actually for Terry Fader. Hopefully you know who that is. He won America's Got Talent. Pretty good guy, and Landon's a pretty good guy too. And where I got my first figure, lastly, is a website called throwthings.com. Yeah, you heard me right. Just throwthings.com. They have basic to super deluxe figures, and their most basic puppets start at like $50. So honestly, not really that expensive. And their super deluxe with the moving eyebrows, hair, eyes, everything can be up to $350. So that's a pretty good place there as well to get figures. Would be Axtail, Original Dummy, and ThrowThings.com. Or you can just go to eBay or something. There's probably some cheap puppets there. And the other thing I want to talk about in this video would be actually where to learn the techniques of ventriloquism. What I did was Axtail.com also has like resources on how to talk without moving your lips. So that's something you can check out. And also Jeff Dunham did some YouTube videos a while back, and you can still find them. And his YouTube videos actually show you how to do those, like the ventriloquism, the hard letters and everything. I'll actually leave a link down below, with his YouTube videos. Or if you're old school, you could order a book or a DVD on Amazon or something, and that will kind of teach you how to do that. So yeah. So once you get your figure, you can, like your sock puppet, your paper puppet, whatever you want to use. Just the best way to practice is sitting down in the mirror and just talk without moving your lips, dude. That's pretty much all you gotta do. It's maybe not the funnest way to practice, but it's the most effective. What I do personally, a good way to practice, I like to make TikToks and YouTube videos, and just like play back the video and be, oh, my lips moved a lot. I'll reshoot it. So after reshooting a bunch of times, it's a lot of practice. But once you do, you're gonna really enjoy the craft and really enjoy it. So I really do appreciate you guys taking the time and watching this. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, whatever YouTubers say, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace. Going back to talking about the Axtail puppets, I said I have one and I want to actually show you guys. This is a Buster figure from Axtail.com. My character, I named him Wally. His name is Wally Whacker. Hello, hello. And yeah, he's a pretty simple figure. Doesn't have like moving eyebrows, moving eyes. And how it works is there's a hole in the back here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you put your hands up the back and hello. Pretty much that's how most of the Axtell figures work. So hopefully that helps you out.